ADSB provides many safety benefits for pilots. It can help you maintain your situational awareness and allows you to see other aircraft around you. While ADSB is an important piece of technology, it still does not relieve the pilot of their responsibility to look out and see and avoid other aircraft. It's not always true that just because you have ADSB technology in your aircraft, that air traffic control and other aircraft can see you all the time. To help with this confusion, CASA has produced the Can You Be Seen guide to help you work out which technology is actually right for you. This chart can help you determine if you can be seen based on the type of ADSB technology fitted to your aircraft. It is important that operators consider installing both ADSB in and ADSB out, so that you can see others while broadcasting your position, allowing other pilots to see you. Aircraft owners can now apply for up to a 50% rebate for both the cost and purchase of eligible ADSB equipment, up to a maximum of $5,000 per aircraft. This rebate is open to both VFR and IFR operators. In addition to ADSB, fitting your aircraft with a transponder will also ensure that both ATC and larger aircraft with TCAS equipment can also see you.